In World War II, President Roosevelt stunned millions of listeners when he announced during a fireside talk on May 26, 1940, that the government must take advantage of the American manufacturers to produce 50,000 combat aircrafts over the next 12 months to confront the global war. The president was convinced that long-range, high-altitude, heavy bombers would be the best weapon in war dominated by air fighting. Every American automaker was encouraged to turn its workforce and facilities to military production during World War II, but none of them did it like Willow Run. Willow Run was a Henry Ford automobile manufacturer in Detroit, Michigan. They were tasked by President Roosevelt and the government with producing B-24 bombers for the war. Initially, the Ford Motor Company struggled to transfer automotive assembly practices into aircraft production, but they adapted to the changes and started to produce. It was also very hard for them to find laborers because of the low housing in the area and because of the draft for the war. So they would hire women and underqualified workers. Despite these issues, Willow Run was able to achieve remarkable production rates. The Willow Run manufacturing team came up with a production line to mass produce the B-24 bombers, which produced a B-24 bomber every hour. The Ford Motor Company eventually produced half of their 18,000 total B-24s at Willow Run. If Willow Run wasn't part of the production of the bombers and didn't produce as many planes as they did, the war may have had an extended outcome. Once aircraft production for World War II ended, Willow Run was used by the Chrysler-Fraser Corporation, which produced both Chrysler and Fraser automobiles from 1947 to 1953. As Veterans Day approaches, we thank all military veterans that have proudly served our nation.